It's a bit of a crappy day, but at least it's dry. It's very windy. Thought I'd come down to the car and just get rid of some of the junk seats as well. Hadn't yet unbolted them. The one this side was easy to get out. That one was harder because you can't open the door. Now I just need to get that backrest out, which is knackered, but that shouldn't be too much trouble. What I have found is evidence of previous repairs made to the rear shock absorber mountings. There should also be a rubber bush in here, and there isn't, so it's either completely collapsed and disappeared or someone's reassembled it wrong. Taken the front passenger seat out, and that's allowed me to peel back the carpet, which greeted me with this. So much like the blue car, heel board has gone at the bottom and the floor has gone back here. It looks okay from the underside of the car because it's covered in underseal, but actually when you really start poking it, there's quite a lot of corrosion in here. So it's quite good fun, but soul destroying as well. There's literally, you can tear the floor up by hand. So all of that is going to have to come out. That bit feels better, but really if you're going to chop that bit out, you might as well chop the whole lot. Frustrating. It's looking much better at the front. So this, ignore this top bit because that is just sound insulation. That's all perfect steel. And then right in that corner I've given it a damn good poking and there's nothing coming through there, which is excellent. When you look in from the front as well, there's a bit of crustiness in here, but actually the floor's good, so that's a relief. So it's not all doom and gloom. The rear is more work than I anticipated. The front is better. That's all part of the course. That's normal. What I haven't had an opportunity to do on this car is actually get to the trailing arm mounts, but they feel really nice. All of that in there, there's no rust as far as I can tell, which is good. So now let's go and have a look at the other side. Driver's side isn't quite as bad as the rear. Heel board looks mostly okay. There's no actual holes in it. Up the front it's slightly worse than the passenger side. There's more surface rust. I still can't poke any holes through it, but obviously that's going to need attention, particularly that bit of the inner sill. But you know, it could be worse, I guess. I haven't found anything else really bad, so fingers crossed it'll be fairly straightforward just to put some plates in. This is not going to be a concourse restoration, this is just going to be slap it together, try and get an MOT on it and preserve it.